Hey friends, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. In my last vlog, I didn't show you the inside view of the houseboat. I forgot it. So here it's look like my mother is showing it. And if you didn't watch my last vlog, go and watch it. You will love it for sure. It is about LP houseboat. Just have a look. And my father was recording it. This is the washroom. So friends, this vlog is about Munnar, which is a hill station in the Western Ghats mountain range in India's Kerala state at an altitude of 1600 meters above the mean sea level. Most tourists reach Munnar via the route of Kochi. We had also done the same thing. It almost takes 4 to 5 hours depending upon the conditions of traffic and road to reach Munnar from Kochi. Just look at these mischievous monkeys, how they have grabbed the packets of eateries. We got this place in between, so took a small tea break here. Our day at Munnar started with this beautiful scenery, so I couldn't stop myself to capture this in my camera. We were having fresh faces then, so took the first picture of ourselves. We went there after some days of Christmas, so the decorations were still there. See this pic. After this, we had our breakfast and then we left for local sightseeing. Now we were on our way to witness the first destination, which is also known as Photo Point. Munnar is actually located in the Idukki district of Kerala, friends. Munnar is also called the Kashmir of South India. The climate and tea plantations are the main reasons for tourism in Munnar. Tourists come here to see the lush green carpet that is spread all around. After some time, our first destination arrived, got down here to take some pictures. So here are the pictures, friends. It will come one by one. The tourist count increases every year with a major number during the months of April to May when summer vacations begin across the country. See the beautiful lush green tea garden in the background, friends. This was our group. Actually, big group was there. So this is one group. See, everyone is taking the pictures here. Next, we arrived at our next destination, which is Eco Point. Located at an altitude of 600 feet above the sea level, it is known for its natural eco phenomenon. It is at Eco Point where you can hear your voice reverberate back to you as an echo when you shout. Situated along the banks of the Kundla Lake, Eco Point is surrounded by misty clouds, hill lakes and green forests, which make a visit to this scenic place even more exhilarating. We had some fresh coconut water over there. Then we headed towards Methupetti Dam, which is built over Methupetti Lake. So this was the route we were going across it. So it is the Methupetti Dam. It is a storage concrete gravity dam. The dam was constructed under the Pelivasal hydroelectric project in the late 1940s for the purpose of water conservation and power generation. Now the dam is a vital source of electricity generation in Munnar and also a haven for many wild animals and birds due to its constant water availability. In the midst of the hills, surrounded by the tea gardens, Shola forest and hilly woods, lays this beautiful lake called Metupetti Lake, just a few miles away from the Metupetti Dam, of whose the most attractive part is its still water, which reflects the tea garden around, friends. So just enjoy this view. How beautiful it is. Took a still picture there, and here is the rate chart of the boat. Was feeling hungry, ate corn. There's my father. Witness this beautiful flower garden in the route. There are many gardens you are going to have in Munnar. This was one of them. I forgot the name of it, friends, sorry. Enjoy some of the pictures taken over there. See the decorations done by flowers. This was our lodge where we stayed. After lunch, we went towards the Ernakulam National Park. You can book tickets in advance through online, or it is also available at the counter over there. But to save time, obviously you have to book in advance. Our tour operator has booked there online. Ernakulam National Park is the first of its kind located in Munnar, Kerala. It is the first national park. Private vehicles are not allowed inside the park. The deeper parts of park should be trailed on foot. Few minibuses are operated inside in order to control the environmental pollution. It was the footage taken by the minibus only. The park is open throughout the week. The safari time starts by 8:30 am and closes by 4 pm in the evening. This park is famous for its collection of tahar. Nilgiri tahar is a goat-like species that is endangered. One can easily spot tahar in this park. It is a blue-colored karanji flower. It blooms once in 12 years. And here is some of the pictures taken over there. This is the Nilgiri tahar spotted over there. See, just look at them, how they were taking photos with it. Haha. Everyone was so interested to take the photographs with Nilgiri tahar. Now we have started moving towards Anamudi Peak, which is the highest peak in South India. The peak and slopes are restricted to tourists only. Trekking to the foot of the hill is an important activity here, friends. There are 19 different species of amphibians here, and a new species of frog is identified in the peak of Annamudi. The largest moth in the world, the Atlas moth, is also found in this park. Baba, say hi. Ma, say hi. अंकल आंटी हाय बोलो.
हिंदी बोलो, इंग्लिश भी बोला जाता है.
So it is the picture taken from there.
वही बता दो.
यहाँ पे आप जैसे जैसे ऊपर उठते जाओगे you are going to feel cold, friends. इतनी ठंड थी वहाँ पे. And just look at the clouds. जैसे जैसे ऊपर जाओगे आप लोगों को बादल दिखते जाएंगे वहाँ पे और बादल के धुएं. And it's going to be foggy climate. Just look at the footage. फ्रेंड्स उसके बाद हम लोग नीचे आ गए, म्यूजियम में गए. दीज आर सम ऑफ द पिक्चर्स टेकन इन द म्यूजियम. This is the Munnar market. We have purchased some tea and traditional dresses for my 3-year-old niece. We stayed in Munnar for 1 day, but I personally think that minimum 2 days are required to explore the Munnar properly. This is the last pic taken over there. How can we leave the place without tasting this delicious coffee? And after that, we started for Thekri, which you will watch in my upcoming vlogs. That's all for today's vlog, friends. I hope you all have liked it. Till then, bye and take care.